If you're watching this, likely you or a family member is concerned about memory changes or possibly navigating a current diagnosis. If that's you, that's exactly why we created the Guide to Proactive Steps, or GPS, to help you connect to the people, programs, and information you need. Inside the guide, you'll find checklists, action steps, resources for medical support, brain health basics, activities, respite options, and tools for care partners. There's even a section for individuals diagnosed before the age of 65. You can view the guide as an easy-to-navigate flipbook or download the PDF to print the pages you need. Every section includes hyperlinks to help you move within the document, as well as to connect you to trusted websites for additional information. If you have questions about next steps or are interested in exploring other options, this resource is for you. Our goal is simple: to provide tools and information so you feel supported and better equipped on this journey. I invite you to explore the GPS. Use it in whatever way serves you best, and please share it with others. The Guide to Proactive Steps is your personal guide to help you move forward with confidence, one step at a time.